Okay, let's be honest. Who else has tried those miracle creams that promise clear skin overnight but only manage to clear out your wallet? Don't worry, I got you. Who needs expensive skincare when you got hacks that actually works? Welcome back to That Girl Glow Up. In this video, we are gonna learn 5 Korean DIYs to get a better clear skin. Chapter 1, Cucumber Mask. Take half cucumber, read it or slice it very thin. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera on your face. So cucumber slice don't slide off your face. Then place it on your skin, lay down and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Benefits of this mask is it is packed with water, give hydration, reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, gives glowing skin. Let's move on to next mask, which is so trendy nowadays on Instagram. Yeah, I'm talking about rice mask. Rice, our star ingredient. This is actually ancient old Korean beauty home remedy. There's a historical record saying hot girls from Joseon dynasty used rice to wash their face and even as a lotion. This is how you can make rice mask. First, put rice in bowl. Quantity depends on how much you want to use. Wash it for 3 times. If you feel like impurities are not removed well, you can wash it few more times. Cook rice until you see mushy consistency. Just like this, then let it cool. Put in blender, add 2 spoons water and 1 spoon honey and blend it. There you have it. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes. Use it 1 to 2 times as a week. Benefits: works on signs of aging, absorbs excess oil, smoothes the skin, repairs the skin, takes care of sun damage. Let's move on to a third chapter, which is yogurt almond mask. To make this, first take a bowl, put half cup yogurt, 2 spoons of almond powder, add some aloe vera gel and honey. Apply it on your face. The texture of mask gives light exfoliating effect. It gives glowing hydrating look and richness of almond and yogurt gives cleansing effect. Enough about mask. Now let's talk about toners. Chapter 4, DIY rice toner. Just like previous time, wash rice 3 to 4 times. Fifth time, leave the water in as it is for 30 minutes. Use the strainer to only get water out of it. Fill that water in mist bottle. There you have it. Here are some benefits and how to use it on your face. You can stop the video to read. Chapter 5, DIY Green Tea Toner. Put boiled water in cup. After that, put green tea back. Let it brew for 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful to not to do it for long as the acidity may increase. It's full of powerful antioxidants. Let it cool. Once it's lukewarm, pour into a bottle. Pour some aloe vera gel. Benefits: tightens pores, fights pimples, control excess oil, helps remove dead skin cells from the top layer of your oily acne prone skin. Now let's talk about who is it for and for how many days you can preserve it. Any skin type can use, whether oily, combination, acne prone, dry, normal or sensitive. But before using, do a patch test. Don't know how to do it? It's so simple. Apply it on your forearm for 1 to 2 hours and see if there is no reaction occurs, then it's safe to use. For the preservance, don't preserve mask in fridge, but you can preserve toners in fridge for maximum 5 days, not more than that.